Hi everyone, welcome here in our English spoken, welfare English spoken. As you know, I'm Rajesh. I'm a teacher of English spoken trainer at Welfare English Spoken. Today I want to tell in this video how did I learn English and why I decided to learn English. As you know, if I tell you, it was the time when I was past my high school in 2007 and 8. And when I completed my intermediate 2009 and 10, at that time it was no more scope of English. People would not know how to speak English, most of the people. As you know, just I belong to rural area, so there most of people at that time did not know how to speak English. When I completed my intermediate examination, then I began to think, what should I do? Because I don't have a lot of idea about science side and math, physics, chemistry, because I had no any guidance who can guide me better. So I was weak in mathematics, and we talk about chemistry. I was not strong as other boys were strong. So I decided to go for the admission in BA. Here I want to say a suggestion to all of you. If you are going to graduation with BA, so I think it's not a good for you, because after completing BA, or we talk about 2 years MA, you cannot get any benefit. You will lose your 5 years. Just notice, you will lose your 5 years and you will not get anything. As you can see that in our areas, many girls and many boys, they have completed BEd, they have completed graduation as well MA, post graduation, but they cannot get a job of 10,000s or 15,000s above, because after completing BA or graduation, we talk about MA, so you cannot have a lot of ability, you can get a job, because you can see what is the study of graduation. So when I completed my high school and intermediate as well, so I began to think, what should I do in my life so that I can earn money. So at that time when I had completed my intermediate, I had no knowledge about English and I had no clear of tenses. I had no idea about tenses at that time. I had no idea about tenses at that time. So then one day I met in market two people. If you are watching my video, you can understand about whom I'm talking. If you are watching my video, you can understand about whom I'm talking, because if they will see my video this, and they will understand that this is the two guys by whom, when Mr. Rajesh sir looked to us about speaking English, when they will realize that when Mr. Rajesh sir met me in the way when we began to speak English and we talked with Mr. Rajesh sir, then Mr. Rajesh sir shocked, how can both speak English? So really, when I met both boys and they were speaking English, so I got surprised. My classmates are speaking English. I did not believe. Whole night I did not sleep. Then next day I met my those friends. I said, where did you learn English? And please tell me. I have to learn English, because this was my first time when I met such guys of my village side, rural areas. They were speaking English. I did not believe that anybody can speak English. He is Indian, because only we used to watch the cricket matches in the match ceremony and after the match post ceremony. So we used to see cricketers were speaking English. So at that time we would think that they are speaking very good English. But at that time we would had no knowledge of English, how to speak English. When I met my two friends, they were speaking English. So at that time I shocked, how can they speak English? So I took them address, where did you learn English and how did you learn English. Then I went that classes, which was English spoken classes. So I met the teacher and the teacher demanded me money. When you will pay the money, then you can take classes. So I told this matter of my family members. I said to them, actually I want to learn English. So many people laughed at me. Are you going to learn English? They laughed at me. You can't learn English, you cannot speak English. We talk about my family members. They were not in my favor. They said to me, don't waste your money because you cannot learn English. But I was stubborn. I did not eat food 2 days. Listen carefully. I did not eat food 2 days. I said, no, I have to learn English. I have to learn English. Then my family members anyhow arranged the money for me, and they gave me money at that time 500 rupees. Then I came here. and I took admission here. In starting, I was very big student. I was not understanding what the teacher is teaching, but I was stubborn. I did not lose my confidence. I did not give up. I was carried on my classes. So that's why. And there were many ups and downs came in my life during the spoken classes, which I cannot tell you here, but I did not give up. So that's why you can see that today I have my setup, and this is Welfare English Spoken Classes. It's honor, it's director, you can say I am. So I'm established of this spoken classes of Welfare English Spoken. I want to say to all of you, it was a very complicated situation when I had completed my graduation, because at that time I had thought that if I will complete graduation 3 years, as well post graduation of MA 2 years, and after 5 years I will not get a job, a good salary. So I decided to learn English. Then I came here. I started slowly but slowly, and today you can see that I can speak English. Not only I can speak English, but also you can see that today my many students, they have been succeed in their life. They are doing job in foreign countries, either native companies, and many my spoken students, they have owned their centers. They are running their center of English spoken. I want to say to all of you, nothing is bigger than your determination. If you have a determination, if you have a strong desire, and definitely you can learn English. When I came here for learn English, at that time I did not think that I can speak English like this level. At that time I had thought that only I will break English with anyone. But I did not get I can speak English fluent, because I have seen in many movies, whenever any police come to the actor and actress during the foreign countries, they say, oh, this is my passport, I'm Indian, I'm not a terrorist. So whenever I used to see this type of activities in movies, so I decided I will learn English. It doesn't matter I can fluent English, I can speak fluent English or not, but if I can know how to speak English, slowly but slowly I can understand any person's sentences, and I can make understand of my sentences of anybody. But I was determined, I was stubborn about my English. So today you can see that I can speak English. So I want to say to all of you, please focus on your goal and your target, and definitely you can achieve not only English spoken, you can speak English, but also whatever you want to do, anything in your life, you can get success. Today, on account of these classes, I have a good condition in my family. I have good condition on myself. I have completed my many desire by these spoken classes. Because मैं यहाँ पढ़ाता हूँ, I teaches the students, and I earn money, and I do hard work behind all students. So if you have a dream, and if you have passion for doing something, definitely you can achieve and you can do. This is my motivation of learning English spoken, and I learn English, and today I can speak English, and today I can teach English. I have, as I'm a teacher of here in Welfare English Spoken, I'm director of here, I'm running these classes, and I have a lots of desire. I will teach a lots of students here, and so that if they will go in Mumbai, either city, they can stabilize themselves. They never feel frustrated if they are going in big city. This is my aim, this is my desire. Come what may, I will make educated whole Madiyao in English spoken. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.